Aloha, everybody. Welcome to our overview of ʻŌlelo Hawaii 101. This is an introduction to the basics of speaking Hawaiian. So there's some basic guidelines we're going to go over, but in this section, we're going to cover Pepeke Painu, Poʻo Piko Awe. So we're going to use Poʻo Piko Awe as a way to structure up this first sentence called Pepeke Painu. So when we think about Poʻo Piko Awe, we're going to think about the squid. The po'o is the head, the piko is the middle, and the ave is the tentacles, or descriptive phrases. So in Poʻo Piko Awe, we're going to start always off with the verb. So today our verb is hele. Verb, subject, object. We're always going to start off with the verb. I would suggest coming up with a list of verbs you use every day so that you can practice using this sentence. Today, we're going to use the word hele. Hele means to go. So verb, hele, subject, object. So today's verb is hele, but who goes? The child. The child in Hawaiian is keiki, K-E-I-K-E. Hele, keiki. Sound correct? You're getting there. Before every common noun, there's a rule in Hawaiian. It's called, it needs a ka'i. And the ka'i is a leading word. Every noun has a leading word. In keiki, the leading word is ke keiki. The rule here is called the rule of the ka'i. If a word begins with a K, E, A, or O, the ka'i, or the leading word, is K, K-E. If it begins with anything else other than a K, E, A, or O, the leading word is ka. The word for house in Hawaiian is hale. Can you say hale? The leading word for hale, since it does not begin with a K, E, A, or O, is ka hale. So back to our sentence structure, verb, subject, object. The verb we're using today is hele, the child goes, hele keiki. But like we said, every noun needs a ka'i, hele ke keiki, the child goes. Hele ke keiki, the child goes. So far, we've learned that in this sentence structure, Pepeke Painu, we start off with the verb, then the subject, the person, place, or thing doing the verb, and now we're on to the ave, the descriptive phrase. So far, we have hele ke keiki. We learned that every noun needs a leading word, which is the ka'i, the ala ka'i. If it begins with a K, E, A, or O, the leading word is ke keiki. If it begins with anything else, the leading word is ka, like ka hale, the house. You can think about ke and ka as kind of equivalent to the word the child, the house, the phone. Ke keiki, ka hale, ke kelepona. Back to our subject, our sentence structure, Pepeke Painu. Hele, ke keiki, and now we're on our descriptive phrase. Descriptive phrases in Hawaiian in this pattern is called awe. It's the tentacles of the squid. We can use this idea of the tentacles to realize that a sentence structure can have many tentacles, but in this one, the tentacles are at the end. First is the head, po'o, then the middle, piko, and then awe is the tentacles. So aves are connected to the po'o and piko by these things called amis. So these are joining words. The joining word to join an ave to a po'o and a piko is either e or ma. Can you say e? Can you say ma? So e or ma can interchangeably mean in, on, or at. So our example sentence today is hele ke keiki, hale. The child goes to the house. Let's try putting ma in place of e. Hele, ke keiki, hale. As you notice, our descriptive phrase, hale, hale, we see the word e or a ma joining the poʻo and piko. We can continue to add sentences, descriptive phrases, by simply adding e or a ma at the end of the poʻo and the piko to make more complex sentences. So our sentence today for Pepeke Painu, we learned that we always start with the verb, then the subject, and then the object. Poʻo Piko Awe. Hele ke keiki hale. One of the things we're going to remember is we always start with the verb. All nouns have leading words like a kai, our rule of KEAO, ke keiki. And we join aves, or the tentacles of the sentence, by either a e or a ma. Hele, ke keiki, hale. That's our sentence structure for today, Pepeke Painu. And I hope you enjoyed and learned from these lessons.